Well, hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. McCarthy again. We are going to be wrapping up our unit on matter. In my glass, I have two states of matter. I have solid and liquid. You know what the solid is. It's the ice, and of course the liquid is the water. I also want to show you a gas. Come and take a look. We're pretty busy here at the McCarthy house. We're making dinner. We're getting ready for mac and cheese. Do you see that water boiling? That is when the heat is heating up those water molecules, and they're moving faster and faster and faster. In fact, they're moving so fast that they're turning into water vapor. Can you see? If I hold this glass, this ice water, over my pot of boiling water, the water vapor that's hitting that cold, icy glass is turning right back into water. In fact, when I put my finger on it, it feels wet. That's water. That's from the water vapor. That's called a reversible change. It started out, the water vapor started out as water, but then it was heated and turned into a water vapor. And then when I put that cold glass over that water vapor, it's turning right back into water. That's a reversible change. I want to show you over here an irreversible change. We also made some sugar cookies today, as you can see. And don't they look delicious? Well, before we put them in the oven to cook, it looked like this. Now that would be considered an irreversible change. We couldn't change that cookie back into that cookie dough, could we? All right, now I want you to come on over here to the kitchen table. I want to show you a really cool contraption. Let's see if we can get you to, there you go. We're going to show you how air can be heated too. Now we don't see the air moving yet, but when I light these candles under this fan that I made, what's happening is the air's heating and moving really fast. Those air molecules are moving fast and creating some movement. As you can see, it's making that fan move. So we actually can see the air molecules in a way. We can see that fan moving. Well, anyway, boys and girls, I just wanted to share that with you. I wish you luck on your science test tomorrow. You're going to do great. Take care, everybody.